Okay, so what are you making up? I would start one and see where it goes and eliminate the next one next to it. So what do you got here?
Can't believe this stuff. Hours. Jesus.
Okay, I'm assuming this is one positive, one negative, right?
Yeah.
Okay, that takes care of this.
Right.
Okay, what's this one go to?
This is definitely to a negative, but what did I run this? What did this guy go to?
Is that part of a charger or cell phone?
No, this is the only thing that's cell phone. White. This is the only thing that's cell phone.
Okay, what's that hooked to?
This just runs up here. I don't have that. Maybe I tore it out. It's over here. That is my.
Okay. So that's not part of the deal right now?
No, it's not even part of the.
Okay, this one here is, what's this going to? I'm pulling it up a little bit. Because this we need.
So this goes into here. This goes here. Runs up here.
Here's another wire right here.
Oh, this runs up. This is
Here's your
this
wire.
goes up to my gauges on my gas tank.
Here's your wire right here. There's your negative.
So these ones go up to my gauges on my tank.
These are black. These are both negatives.
Yeah, negative, negative.
Okay, those need to be commonized into
To a single,
a
right?
single lead. Get this wire out of the way. The less eyelets you have, the better, because every time you got an eyelet, you got a place for a bead loosening.
And not only that, when you try to put any sort of jumper or anything on there, it's like you got a
Yeah.
fan.
Can't
You
even
know
get
what I
into
mean?
here anyway. Okay, this is a positive? So I was supposed to
he
go into
goes
that
over
one.
Here, yep. He goes over here.
Okay. And we got one more here,
Positive
so
over here and a
what's
negative
this
over
one
here.
going to?
This just goes from a
Okay, where's your circuit breakers? Are they on this
over
side?
here, over here. This just going from a circuit breaker over here to this.
Okay, why can't we disconnect something off the circuit breaker?
This to
These are
this.
power. Why can't those be powered off of this? Instead of being off the battery.
I don't know. I don't know the answer to that question. This was, I think this was probably like this, and that's why. it
Okay, the
stayed
ignition's off, isn't it?
there. Yes.
Okay,
There's no key in it.
so where's your jumper wire?
No, cheap.
Yeah, cheapy piece of crap. And you got a little test light instead of a stupid meter? I want a test light. We're gonna identify what's going on here.
Test light.
Okay. And that little jumper wire is floating around somewhere. Yep. Okay, so go over on that side. Okay, this is your negative.
Yes.
Okay, hook the jumper to that. Okay, now let's go to ground.
To ground?
Just to a ground. That should be a ground right here, isn't it?
Yeah.
It's going to your frame, so it's not powder coated too bad. Okay, that's connected. Okay, let's go ahead and connect this to the same ground. And theoretically it should light up. Oh, look at that. Lights up. Okay, now the ignition is off, I'm assuming.
Yeah, there's no key in it.
Okay, so now we go over here. Let's see if anything's hot. Okay, right there, that's permanent hot. So all your stuff can go right to here. Now we need a ground. Is this solid mounted now? This is not rubber mounted anymore, right?
No, that's rubber mounted.
Okay, we need a solid bolt to go to ground. So what do we got that we can go to ground with a solid bolt? Because right now we can take the pods and put them right on this thing here. That's dead, 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 dead. So this is full-time hot. So we just got to figure where this battery is coming off the ignition switch or something. I'm not sure where the power is coming from, but it's got power 100% time right here. This might be coming off your regulator. I'm not sure. You know, your alternator. But this is full-time hot, so we can power off of this. We don't have to have anything underneath. We can eliminate all positives off this battery by coming off whatever side is.
Positive to far side.
I'm assuming this is the input because there's only one wire on it. This is output. It's got two wires.
This one wire is just going over to hot. For whatever reason.
Yeah, but it's not even connected. We got power coming through something because we got power.
What did I just knock off of here?
Now it's dead.
Because this came off of our ground. Okay.
Okay. Okay, what wire is this one?
This wire is right here. It's just going over to hot for whatever reason.
Okay, we're dead now. So that must have been laying on a positive?
Maybe it was touching. Do that.
Well, it has to be connected because that's the only one there.
Yeah.
Okay,
Okay,
so
that's making that hot.
if we put that over there, that makes this one hot. This one over here can be over here now. Doesn't need to be on that battery.
Okay. Does it reach is the question.
That's the one that went across our oil tank. It's right here. It's a lot shorter going to here. And there's no reason for it to be on the battery.
Okay.
It eliminates the problem of rubbing on the oil tank, which is dangerous.
Yeah.
And it just goes right to here. And you want to go through the circuit breaker, you want to go through here. Now, I don't know what the rating on the circuit breaker is. You have to see if it's a 15 or a 30. I don't know what it's powering, but usually when you run a direct battery power, it's a 30 ampere. So we need to pull this one out and see what amperage is on this thing.
Okay.
And I would say a 30 ampere is what it should be because we're coming right off the battery to power the whole bike. It should be a 30.
Okay.
I would think. Now, if you're just powering the lights or the ignition separate, then it could be a 15, but we're coming directly off the battery with that one wire. Powering this. This becomes our circuit board here. Now, we already got 2 wires right here right now. We can stack another one onto there. And you got how many of these little small ones? You got 2 or 3 more?
This is all ground. This is negative stuff, so positive stuff is over here. So that's a positive.
So we got one more. That's
so we
2.
Can run that over there.
So that's 2. We got to hook up over to here. No.
No, it's just
1.
one. So
No, we got 2 because we got this one.
That's the one that powers it, right?
No, that's the one that
yeah,
goes. That's,
yeah,
it
okay,
powers the
that's-
bike.
okay,
It doesn't
yeah,
power
okay,
that.
I got you.
So we already
So
got
we
2
got
on
1,
here
2.
right now.
Alright.
We're going to put 2 more on there.
Okay.
This is your relay. So we're going to be stacking 4 on here. It's getting pretty heavy. It's loaded now.
Okay.
Now, what are these powering? Do they matter if they're full-time load on them?
I think this is running to my fan, I believe. I'll have to chase this, but I'm pretty sure.
Okay, that
this
has a
stuff-
fuse in it, right?
Right.
So that can go on the hot wire.
Okay.
Because it's protected by a fuse, so it doesn't have to go through a breaker. So that takes 1 off of here.
Okay.
So, because if it's already got its own protection, it doesn't need to be double protected. So now we got 1 and 1 right now. Okay, so I think that'll take the load off of that. Now we just need a place to put a ground. So what do we got around here we can use for a ground?
Well, I think.
Is there a bolt somewhere we can run something off of? Back of the primary maybe, or something, another bolt on the frame? What do we got that we can put a bolt on? You know, you can put a bolt right through this frame right here, this bracket, if you want. Right through there and put a bolt on it.
Okay, these would replace those wheel nuts.
We can put a hole right through here, 1/4-inch bolt. Or a 3/16 screw if you have it. Scrape the powder off of it and put a bolt right there. Tighten the bolt down, then we have the thread sticking out to make a post out of it. And that's a ground. And that's not really good. There's not, the only thing hanging off of this is this stuff, right?
Yeah.
So it doesn't need to be this big. So if you got a little small screw, we can put it right in there. And we just have our lug sticking out, same size as these ones, right to it.
Okay.
And that eliminates all the grounds going on the battery that we don't need grounded over there. And this is underneath your cover, isn't it?
Yeah.
Does this get in the way?
I'll have to see.
Is the cover going to get in the way of having a bolt there? It might.
Yeah, it might. Depends on. Let's see. So these are those bolts, but it's got to be the outer ones, I'm guessing.
Otherwise, we got to come off of the starter someplace or whatever. It's our ground cable here. This thing get put back inside the box. That's our ground wire. What are these supposed to be for?
These are to replace those well nuts. What are they for the?
That's going to make it a ground.
Are they for the inner four or for the outers?
Well, that's going to make it a ground if you put those in there, because that's solid. Now this plate becomes grounded.
that's where that was gonna go. And they're a lot bigger though. Bigger than that hole, huh?
Yeah, we can get rid of a lot
Look
of.
how big that is though too.
Yeah, that's because there's a big hole over there, but it doesn't have to be that big. That's just how big they made it. They could have put a shoulder bolt in there and put a little 1/4-inch hole in there. There's no reason for that big ass thing.
I don't understand. That means I have to drill this out. Oh.
No, that should be the size of the wheel nut.
That's the size of that wheel nut hole.
That's why they made it that big. Okay, so this wire here needs to go here, but this wire needs to come off of here, so I'm gonna put it under my Phillips. Not right here. Get rid of this.
How do you feel about putting these on here? Think it'll work for us or not? Oh, I see. So it's go like that, and then that bolt would become, see? So it's supposed to go like that, right?
It's gonna be metal metal, as long as you got a connects without powder coat on it.
So that's supposed to be for there.
We'll
Okay,
have
so
a
that's
solid-
right? So
yeah,
we can go like that, like
We'll have a
that.
solid connection, and then you can just put a
And you
hole
put
right through
your-
here.
You put your quarter right, you don't need it. You just put it right there, right? Because that
threads into it?
That threads into this.
There you go. Yeah.
That might solve our
As
problem.
long as it's not powder coat right there where you're trying to put it. There's it. Looking for my tripod.
Alright, pull that out. That looks like it's 7/16.
So we're gonna play around the wiring here a little bit.
For some reason, so one of these must be a smaller.
Okay, well, I'm gonna swap out this one wire here to one we need. Get rid of this piece of crap. Okay, this is our jumper. Okay, I'm disconnecting the battery now. Battery's disconnected. We take the ground off.
Yeah, there's a shorter one here. I remember thinking about that.
Okay, so I'm gonna lose this one.
I guess I'll understand it once I get it off. There's gotta be what that is. Oh, no.
Stupid thing stuck in there. There it goes. Squeeze the pus out of my thumb.
Why is one short? Alright. Looks like that's 7/16.
Okay, this one goes away. This one goes over here. Okay, that's done. Okay, pull this wire out over here, top one. Okay, reroute that on the inside of the frame to the back.
You're right, actually, that wasn't perfect.
Well, it's a shorter distance, so it should be able to go.
That was a little big.
Okay, we'll come right through here again. Another zip tie cut now.
Yeah, that's alright, we'll do it again.
Well, we'll put reroute and some other stuff, so leave it together for now. Okay, so I got rid of all the crap on this side. Look how much cleaner it is now over here.
Yeah.
Okay, now it's just a matter of figuring out this one.
I know this goes to power over here.
Okay, these have no load to them. They could very easily come off the breaker down there. And once you get the ground hooked up, we got 3 grounds going there for gauges and stuff, which are all little dinky 20 plus smaller gauge wires. These are 20 or 24 gauges. So they'll go, they can all go right over to the bolt here, or here, whichever one works better. But you have to put a star washer between the bracket and the bolt to get a,
There's one on them.
to get a load on it. Okay. All right, I'll be back.